percent complete. Calculating percentage completion in a schedule helps tracking project progress. There's quite a few different methods how that gets calculated, depending on different methodologies, tools. I'm going to look at how to calculate percentage completion based on volume of work. Inside a project, you can set up a user-defined field and assign a formula to that. To be able to do that, you're going to right-click on the column header, go into the menu, New Field, and you can see the user-defined field A appeared in this view. So let's just go and double-click on that column header, and now we are in the user-defined field properties. So I'm going to assign a name to that column, percent complete, and in brackets I'm going to define its volume based. Let's make sure we assign the user a unique code for that. And for that field to be properly calculated, I need to make sure it's a numerical value, numerical type. I'm going to use all the other settings the same. Let's go into the formula area, and I'm going to use that tick in the box to say it's, this field is calculated based on the formula. Which formula we will define by going to the Edit, select the table. I'm going to choose Activity Gantt table, and for the formula, I'm going to bring in the fields for calculation. You can use the field selection option, go to the field list, and you can search for the volume actual, and I'm going to divide that by another field, and I'm going to bring that selection again to the view, volume cumulative, total volume, so that's volume actual divided by volume total cumulative, and multiply that by 100 to get that in the percentage. So now in the formula field we have that formula defined. We can see that this calculation will be run in the activity Gantt view, but I also want that formula to be calculated in the activities table as well. So I need to select that option, calculate in that particular table as well. So I think I'm happy with all of the settings. Let's go apply or click OK, and you can see that we do have that custom defined field, percentage complete based on volume, available in the activity Gantt view table. So at the moment, there is no any data in that, and the reason is that because we have not calculated our schedule yet. For the volume-based calculation, we need to select not the CPM scheduling method. We need to select cost and material calculations. So once we select that cost and material calculation option, I'm going to click OK. And after that, the formula has calculated the percentage completion. It's visible here in the column, and I can also reflect that on the activity Gantt view, going right click on the timeline ribbon settings, and in the primary settings for the Gantt diagram settings, in the data template, I'm going to bring into the view that user-defined field that we have just set up, percentage complete. So let's run a search, percentage complete, and I want that to be appearing on the left-hand side. So let's make sure there's no tick in that box for the on the right option, and once I click apply, you can see that the volume of work is now, the percentage completion based on volume of work is now visible on the Gantt view. And that's how you calculate the percentage completion based on volume of work and by the project.